Hello friends, today we're gonna explore a new mining coins, and the name is Hold Coin. So let's see how it works. You have to click on play now, and you see everything is like that, and then the coins will drop, and you have to hold the red button just to hold it, and it will collect all the coins like a magnet. Okay, I will show you in a while, but just to give you an overview, here is a booster where you could just energy to boost your energy, coins, and energy limit. Okay, and earn. Here you see like you have to go and follow different groups, channel. You have to connect your wallet if you have any, and daily reward, you can get it like every day you get it. I just started yesterday, so it's like 2 days. And then you have booster, and then it was a daily, and rest of like the application, you see like different channel you have to join. And here is mining. Since yesterday I have mined so much, like different cryptocurrency, Ethereum, US dollar, XPR, BNB, Ton, Solana, Doge. Like there are different, so I have did like this. You see in the screen. You see some are still locked, but I will show you quickly. I see meme, Pepe, SHIB, all this cryptocurrency, you could see it. And the rest of you can invite your friends. You can invite your friends here. So but let's see, let me show you how it works. You see the energy is full, the green, 1400 by 1400 what I have, and I have like 46,400 coins collected so far, but the rest of are used. If you see, like here is 59,456 is like my mining speed, and like total speed also, so you could see. So, and if you want to connect the wallet, so you could just click on this, the left side up corner, and ranks, you could just see different ranks, people are like in the ranks. So, and daily reward, I show you, it's a shortcut to that. But okay, how it works just to hold the red button like this, and the coins, you see the coin stream is approaching. You see, like you just collect, you have to hold, I mean, when the coin stream is coming, so you collect so much. Okay, it's very simple, and you just hold and click the red button, hold, and then the coins will come by this magnet. Okay, so now I don't have any energy left. So, but when you have energy left, you don't click like this, you just hold like this. Okay, so this is how. Join me and subscribe my channel. You could see the link in the description where you can be my reference, or you could go to the description and just copy or join this whole coin, so you get more references. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoy this game. It's very simple and nice game so far, I see, because it's a second day, and let's see how we explore it. After hamsterkombat, I think this one is good, and top swap so far. So let's see, and hope it's you all guys will enjoy it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.